Good morning from Rotterdam. Good morning from Rotterdam, you beautiful people. Look what's in the background. It is the Holland America Rotterdam. We have not been on this ship for 3 years, and we're going on it again for the third time today. Happy dance!
Today's the happy day.
Don't you know how to do that? Happy dance!
Yeah. Let's go, baby.
Beautiful day. Ready to get on that ship. We don't have any breakfast. We're going to eat on the ship. And I can't wait to go across the Swan Bridge to the ship. Did I say the ship that many times in one sentence?
Ship. Try to say that 6 times fast.
Let's go. It's cruise day. Who's carrying the bags now? Your king rock star is the Sherpa boy today as we make our way to the Rotterdam Cruise Terminal. We just got off the metro. It was one stop from the DoubleTree Hotel. And now we're gonna do the check-in. Let's go. Very easy. Walk right up with your suitcase already tagged, drop it off, and in we go. Man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. And here we go to check-in, just like last time. Very smooth embarkation day so far, you guys. You have now reached the room tour of Holland America Rotterdam Suite 100034 on the veranda. Ooh, a nice big mirror, folks. A little bit of storage. Ooh, they got the good stuff for the hand and bath wash. Nice towels, nice toilet. Let's do that toilet check. And a really tall shower, and nice and big. And then come out here, you got some storage. Go to the beach for free, orange umbrella. And got some more storage over here. There's your safe. There's, looks like some robes. Your minibar. Oh, they got stuff in it. You know what that means. Gotta pay for it. More storage down there. Got some more storage over here. With some nice mineral water, your minibar menu, which isn't so expensive, it's fairly decent. More storage down here. Oh, look, they got blankets. Nice big TV. I think there's storage down here. No. And if you were with somebody and some friends, of course you have the door to go there. Perfect little desk, couch, big comfy bed, and the view. How sweet is that?
You can come outside.
I don't want to.
You look over that way, see the giant Ferris wheel. Look over this way, see all the port buildings.
Yeah. And our verandas, our balcony veranda is pretty decent. That's what I say. Oh. All right. So, those of you that have been following the adventure, the last 2 times we were on this ship, we did it all in pictures. We didn't do it in video. And we just upgraded our internet. So, you guys should be getting a lot of this stuff. Because this ship has been in rotation for so long, you can just Google it out there. You know, deck plans and all that stuff. Because we're not going to bring that to you. We're going to take you along and show you how the Murphys do Holland America Rotterdam. So sit back, get your popcorn. We got an exciting adventure coming your way. Welcome to the Lido Deck, Deck 9 here on Holland America. As we pan the camera this way, shows you nobody's in the pool. We've got all the dining experiences over there, beside the company.
And the retractable roof in case it gets cold.
So one thing is, when you're on Holland America, there is no seat saving with your towels because they are monitoring them very heavily. So if you put your stuff down, I think within the hour, and they see that it's not claimed, bye-bye.
No reserving chairs, but there's nobody passing out towels either. You can go Go collect as many towels as you want.
That's right. So we've been on this ship now for the very third time
Today.
and out of all 3 embarkations, this was the best.
We
because
walked on the ship.
We got Orange Club.
Mm-hmm.
So stick around. There's more coming. It's going to be a great day.
I was watching the conveyor belt where they put all of the luggage that was being loaded underneath. Boy, oh boy, they have got this down to a science.
That's right.
All right, there are fellas up there helping you load your luggage, making sure they got tags on it. They put it on big trucks. The forklifts take it onto the ship. We'll have our bags probably before supper.
We'll see. Stick around, kids. It's going to be great next 2 days.
Bye-bye.
We've officially made it on board. We're on deck 9 in the aft of the ship. And first impressions, I'll give them to you later on in the day, but so far so good. Very little children on here, and people look at you weird when you're holding a video camera, but that's okay. Glenn's already getting his cocktails of the day. Stay tuned. We've got dinner and Tamarind tonight on deck 10. We're all refreshed and ready to go to supper.
But look at this scene in front of us.
This is
right.
deck 9, Lido Deck.
This is deck 10. Down here is deck 9, the Lido Deck. We have the pizza and pasta bar over there. They have nice salads. Over here we have the panorama bar. But look what they did. They closed the roof about 3/4 of the way because we're in the North Sea now and it got a little colder.
Mm-hmm.
On that screen at 9 o'clock tonight, in an hour and a half, we're going to be showing the World Cup matches.
Nice. Let's go to dinner. Oh, and Mr. Murphy tonight, he is wearing his Formula 1 racing with some green shorts and some matching sneakers. We kind of match mine a little bit.
Right? Hey guys, what's happening?
All right, off to supper, you. Inside Tamarind on deck 10. And word to the wise, you don't wear shorts in here or they will turn you away. So let's show you the menu. Oh, I see some of our favorites, Glenn. Can't wait. Let's see what we order. Look at those colorful drinks.
Right?
He's got his water. He's got his Pinot Grigio Santa Margarita.
Right?
And his hot sake.
Doesn't seem hot. Let's try it. This is the Morimoto Gin Roll. 3 ounces is $9. It's a little on the sweet side, but I'll take that instead of the last one that I had. And you got
What did you order me?
Virgin Mai Tai.
Mai Tai. That's good.
Got some good
Very
juices
sweet.
in there.
Very sweet. What do you got there?
Well, this is a side of sampler sauces. One is mild, one is medium, and one is really spicy. And they give you some shrimp crackers.
Those are your favorite.
Right? So, what are you going for? Hot, medium, mild? You're diving right in there, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
A lot of flavor.
Very hot. Ooh. There is our taste of Tamarind. What do you got there, Murph?
I don't know where to begin. We got some bulgogi tacos out here. We got some spring rolls, some shrimp tempura, and then normally it's just chicken satay, but she says you got lamb satay, chicken satay, and pork satay, and that's a little spring salad over there. Probably peanut sauce in the corner and the Thai chili sauce over here. I don't know where to begin.
We'll just take a bite of something, would you?
All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, it's hot.
It is not.
Middle, you have the pork chop.
Dinner has arrived, and that is the crispy duck with some udon noodles and some decorative stuff. And then we've got some fried rice over here, shiitake mushrooms, and oh, look at those
Lamb chops.
lamb chops.
Medium well.
Very nice.
Don't stick your hand on the sauce. You gonna dive right in and destroy it before I take a picture or what?
Say that again for the camera.
Are you gonna dive right in and destroy it before I get to take a picture or what? Fat Albert.
That is my pineapple and coconut tapioca.
Yeah.
And he's got over here some sorbet.
The passion fruit cloud, as it were. Let's dig in.
If you made it this far in the video and you've been on the Rotterdam before, what decks am I in between? Comment down below. Let us know. And if you guess correctly, I've got a prize for you. Let me show you the mural. Okay. What decks are these between? Oh, what a long day, you guys. Boarded the ship early. We had the best day ever. Had dinner tonight in Tamarind. Did not disappoint. It was good. I just wish they had a little bit more selections. We just took in all of the views of the ship, and usually we would have given you a deck tour, but we just show you what we do on the ship, how we do our vacation. So tomorrow's a sea day. We're gonna try to show you what to do on a sea day on the ship. See how many events maybe we can take in. Who knows, maybe it'll get derailed and we'll sleep in all day, but good night from the North Sea, and we will see you tomorrow. Mr. Murphy's just taking in the last of the sunset.